Today we are going to be learning how to do Twitch panels for free using Canva. Today we're just going to be doing some Twitch panels, like a really quick and easy way to do it. Actually, Canva is a really good program, or I guess it's like a website that you can do a lot of designs on. That's where most of my panels and other things have been designed. As you can see, I've done a lot of stuff. Even my brothers used it, and it's just really good to use. Like, this is my current one, but I'm going to do another style. Probably change it up something. I'm going to Polar Star Jack. Hey, nice, dude. Nice. Congrats, man. Welcome to the dark side, the HPA dark side. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can try another styles. So there's a lot you could do with the with this. What do you call it? There's a lot you could do with the free version. I have the paid version, so I can use like GIFs. What the heck, Ruthless? Thank you for the. Yeah, so I'm just gonna create a design. I want to practice to see how far I can get with the free software. So again, Canva is free. Make my design. I believe okay, so it's 320 by 100. So we're gonna go with 320 by 100. And that's like the standard panel size for what do you call it? It's the standard panel size for Twitch's banners. So we're gonna see what we can come up with. Obviously I have my own. It's the pixelated one, this guy right here, but I want to try other designs, like other themes. So I was thinking of doing like a wintry theme type thing. Obviously I might not use it, but it's good to practice to see how far I can get. I'm not too sure what is free and what's not because I have the paid version, but obviously when people try this out, you can get pretty far with the free thing. What I usually like to do is look at the elements to see what shapes are available, what sizes are available. So like maybe I could type in winter and see what pops up. So obviously you're gonna get the oh, here it does say pro, so I had the pro version, so I get this for free. If you don't have the pro version, you probably have to pay, I think it's like $1 per sticker. You get to keep it indefinitely once you pay for it, but once you get the pro version, it's actually it's a lot better. This is kind of cool, actually. I quite like this. Like, you could actually just leave it like this and call it a day. Like, that's your theme. That's it. And there's different ones too. Like, there's a spring. Actually, I might even use this for my own thing. This is pretty cool. But yeah, so like you get to the point where you just start looking at things. And so we're going for the wintry type of thing. I don't know if I want, like, I really like this color scheme, so I might go with this color palette and see what I could do with this guy, because it's really cool. I do like this one. There's also this guy right here. I think I need a black background for me to be able to see that. Yeah, you do need a black background for that. So that one's not as nice, or I don't like that one as much. I usually just skim through it to see what I could find first. Like, all of these are, like, I guess they're free to use. So you could, whatever image is here is you're allowed to use for free, and to use it for your own, like, panels. I'm not too sure if you can use these images to sell, like make a shirt, but it's definitely, you're definitely allowed to use these for designs like this. So I'm just messing around real quick to see what I like, but I'm really feeling the color of this one. I really do like the color of this one. I just want to see if there's more. Like, so I'm in elements right now. What I actually could do is find something. So I want to be able to, like, you could keep layering these, which is the great part about this. You can keep layering them until you're happy with what you have. So like I could do something like this, in the background. So I could have something like that. Sorry. Position backwards. I think I could mirror this. Oh, here, flip. Horizontal. And then make it bigger. Obviously, this is just me messing around. I'm not really. Then I can put this back on top. And like, you can really mess around with it. Get it to what you want. And then have the background. Sorry. Let's put the background as black. I think we're getting somewhere here. So that would be more of a art stream. Kinda. I'm just messing around to see if I could do like a whole winter themed thing, but not to make it too like Christmassy or a specific holiday. You know what I'm saying? But like you could definitely like that is one way to do it for sure. But a lot of people, even though it's free to make it yourself, a lot of people are really not lazy, but they're kind of like scared to make their own because it's like Photoshop is a little hard, right? Like this one's completely free, and obviously I made this whole setup in like literally less than 10 minutes, not even. And this is just me messing around, so I haven't really had a final thing I want to do. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, but I'm gonna put it back to the white background, and I'm gonna keep this guy because I like this. I like this image here. So after you've made your image, all you do is you download it. With the pro version, you can actually use a transparent background, so you can do overlays. You can use you can make camera overlays with this thing, which is really cool. I think I moved something by accident. Yeah, I moved the template over. I don't know. Yeah, I moved it over by accident. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, you can download it. And that's it. That's the... So now I can... We'll name that... So that's what it would look like on your screen. Obviously, it's not as detailed, but you can look, you can see everything that's in it. What I can do is actually add it to my own Twitch channel right now. I'm going to see if I can... Winter panel. And then you go to my Twitch. Pause that, because why not? So this is my current one. This is how I made my other one. Let's say I want to add another panel. Text or image. And then you just add the image. Drag and drop. Done. And it should look... Where is it? Oh, forgot to submit it. It's my bad. Done. Submit. And now, there's my window panel. That's it. That's easy as that.